Hello friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about a magazine released at the My Government portal. You can view this a New India Samachar focused initiative targeting targeted results. It's the main aspects between the dates and the main events happened this month and initiatives to be taken by the government from September 16 to 30. So it's just available in many languages. You can just click, you can go to mygovernment.in and click on. There are still two new issues of volume 1. You can click to download. Now we can download the new issue. So it's available in Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Kannada, Urdu, Malayalam, Telugu, Bengali, Assamese, Punjab and Odia. Available in 13 languages, main languages, some regional languages also available. So you can view it as a flip book and also you can download it as a PDF or view it as a PDF. It's main for students who prepare for many competitions such as competitive exams undertaken by government. It's also it gives a clear view about the central government. It's a flip book. Okay, so contents given, many content given. You can go through one by one and a special column about Swami Vivekananda. Many important news about the poor people and the funding of the government and their policies and their board meetings and the campaigns related the campaigns done by the volunteers. Many things are mentioned here. And Prime Minister's vision towards India. There is many Prime Minister's speech has given here. He has given in the form of paragraph. They have mentioned a special place for war against Corona. So this is the funding information. You can verify it and you can note it down. This is very important for students who prepare for many competitions such as national competitions and competition conducted by My Government. Some questions also asked from these type of magazines and articles released by My Government, released at the My Government site with the central government. So go through it fully, friends and students. Many from cultural to heritage culture of India. Many things are given highlighted in this. Many things are highlighted in the magazine. So his main speeches to the people and so this is the third issue of the first volume. This is just free volume, so there is no amount to be paid for this. So it's just free to download, friends. Go and visit the mygovernment.in site and just see the tabs page and just download it for free. And friends, now we are going to see about Dekho Apna Desh webinar quiz. It's a series in the footsteps of Buddha. So it's a new quiz conducted by My Government from September 12 to India 31 December. So nearly 3 months have been conducted. The Ministry of Tourism, Government of India is arranging a series of webinars under the overall theme of Dekho Apna Desh. Recognizing the fact that revival in the tourism sector will be largely spearheaded by domestic tourism, the ministry is focusing on the promotion of domestic tourism. The objective of these webinars is to promote various tourism destinations. So they are given the information. So to acknowledge and facilitate the participants. The Ministry of Tourism is running the quiz, focusing on each episode. Each participant of the quiz shall be rewarded with a certificate. So the terms and conditions have been given, and each participant will be certified, friends. So you can join You can log in and you can join. These are the terms and conditions. The quiz is being organized by the Ministry of Government. So there will be 5 questions, only 5 questions, and you will have a time period of 600 seconds. That means 10 minutes. The quiz will start as soon as the participant clicks start button. Once entry submitted, only one person can submit only one entry. Friends, so be aware of that. The participant shall abide by the rules and conditions of participating in the quiz from time to time. Organizers' decision of the quiz shall be final and binding to correspondence. Participants from all over the world of nationalities are eligible to enter the quiz. So every participant can enter in these quiz and participate and win their certificates. These questions will be based on the episodes of Dekho Apna Desh. So prepare the questions based on the Dekho Apna Desh webinar. So you have to prepare questions based on that, and definitely we will post a video on that. One entrant can participate only once. Okay, multiple entries will not be submitted. So follow these terms and conditions given by the My Government, and you can click the login to play quiz button. If you click this, it will ask you Gmail ID, email ID and password. Give your email ID and password. If not, you can also if you don't have any account, you can also register. So friends, you can also register. You can give your name, email ID and your mobile number, everything, and you can register in My Government. After registering, you can log in. And also friends, you can log in with your Google account. So friends, after logging in, here see the button appears that asks start quiz. Once you enter to start the quiz will start. So these are the things. So winner is adjusted by the maximum number of answers in minimum time. So the winner will be selected based on that category criteria. You can skip a tough question and come back to it later. So here's the demo model for it. So please go through it, and definitely we'll put a video on how to attend the quiz and the syllabus for the quiz. And friends, you know that our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will confer to the people under the title Man Ki Baat every month at the last week of every month. So you can just go into My Government site and you can comment your questions. You can also dial for this number, toll free number. So you can note it down. We will give in the description. Okay, so it will be available. The dial number will be available from 9 to 23 only. So there are still only 1 week. So you can dial and you can ask a question to share your ideas and suggestions with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Many of them have shared their comments. You can see here, and you can also react to their comments. So if you wish to comment, if you wish to give your suggestion for Prime Minister's speech in the title Man Ki Baat, you can also give your suggestion. You can write anything and just click post to post on. And you can watch that Man Ki Baat on 27th September 11 am. So you can watch the premiere live at YouTube and also at the Prime Minister's website. I will give the link for the website, so you can watch that live at 11 am.